everyone, hi, welcome back to another painting video and happy new year. I haven't painted in a couple of weeks because I took some time off during the holidays and I need to get ease into painting again. I was thinking of doing an alphabet composition challenge. I've had this idea for a while, but today let's start with that. It's perfect because it's the first painting of January, starting with the alphabet. Well, let me explain. I will start with the letter A, the outlines of the letter A, and from there on I will build the composition and the painting. It's such an easy and simple concept, but it will give me just a little bit of a rule and incentive to get started. So, today we're gonna start with the letter A. I don't know if this could be or will be a full-blown alphabet series, painting series, but hey, this is fun. Let's get started. Alright, so I've had this idea for a while, and 2026 I think is the year of experimentation. The idea is to start every composition with a letter of the alphabet. So, of course, today I'm starting with the letter A, how I write the letter A. And I don't know if the end result will represent the letter A, but the start will. Yeah, this is fun. This is fun to try to do. Let's see, I've got here a grayish blue by Amsterdam, some titanium white, so first I will paint the background, and after that I will start painting the letter A. And not aiming for something perfect. Yeah, this is how I write the letter A, but it's my interpretation, right? Yeah, I know already that the end result won't have the letter A, but it's all about the start. For me, for this challenge. Take this away up here. Transparent red. I use transparent red a lot. Start here. Let's build this stem up. Right, some transparent red or transparent yellow and a little bit of the permanent violet. This is getting way too crowded. I feel like I need a lot more white to make this. That's okay. Oh, like that. This part quite pastel, like in the grayish shades, and then here that there's more of this pop. Nothing to lose because I'm not liking it how it is right now. Yes. Alright, so if I look at it like this, I feel like we need something here as well. Let's do that. Yeah, this is it. The letter A, which is invisible, but I like this. I'll show you the end result. And here we go. The first painting of 2026. It's a fact. The original composition of the letter A got lost, but that was to be expected. And after I stopped the cameras, I added this purple brushstroke up here, and I think it pulls everything together. Yeah, it's a great start. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Maybe I will start that painting with the letter B. We will see.